are jumping on and joining me. There we go. I just got the live feed. Whoop, I'll turn off my sound here as I can see you guys, and hopefully you can see me. And we will jump right into today's fun crafting event. So this is our second time doing this. We did this last April. And basically we are going to be giving a little hint at the upcoming May's Kiwi Club kit, because face it or not, like, it's the end of April. Crazy, I know, but it is officially the first day of May tomorrow. So we thought we'd give it a hint. If you are already a Kiwi Club member and you love surprises when your Kiwi Club shows up to your door, it's really, really a fun feeling, actually. It's like Christmas every month, right? If you love that surprise and you don't want me to spoil anything for you, then this is not the crafting for you. So we'll see you at the next one kind of thing, right? So jump on off. But yeah, so today we're going to be playing Scrabble for those of you that like to play along with me in this fun game. And so basically what I'll do is I'll share my screen, I'll pop up a Scrabble word, and then in the comments you guys can kind of do your guessing game, right? Like unscrabble the word, and we'll get a little hint into May's Kiwi Club kit. I actually already shared, well, I'll share that afterwards. So this is kind of a hint. Usually we do the title of the club, but we already kind of shared that with some creative partners here and there. So we're going to give an inside hint other than not necessarily the name of the kit, even though the name is really just for fun, because unfortunately sometimes with titles, you can put things into boxes, and like always, we really try really hard. Like we put so much thought into products that we produce that they are created with like meaningful thought, versatility, usefulness. And I hope that you guys could experience that as you play to create with each of these products each month. But overall, just even seeing that free PDF digital idea book that we produce every month to go kind of along with the Kiwi Club kits. You don't have to be a Kiwi Club member to access this PDF. It's just in the shop. And it's just a digital idea book full of ideas. And hopefully that also shows you that versatility and diversity, really. It's really fun to kind of see what myself, Debbie, and Shiloh, as scrapbookers ourselves, we take one kit and we create what we can out of the one kit, and from personal needs and desires. And then we share that with you guys in the digital idea book. And so anyway, so that's always fun. And I know I've mentioned this before, but I think it's worth noting over and over again. It's really fun for me because I don't get to see what Debbie and Shiloh create with the kit until that PDF comes out as well. So I'm always inspired by them, like over again. Not only am I inspired by the kit when I'm creating with it, there's so much inspiration to be found within the kit. But then as far as connecting with other creators in the community and seeing what they create, so much inspiration and ideas to be shared, and it's just so much fun for myself. So I hope that you guys enjoy that as well, because I genuinely do enjoy seeing what you guys create. So please keep sharing it with us, and please make sure to gift yourself some time as a creator to sit down and do things that make you happy. For the most part, you don't find time, you have to make the time. And in order to do that, you kind of got to build this creator's mindset that you know how beneficial creating the act of creating in any form that it is for you. It rejuvenates you, it re-energizes you. I know it does this for me, and it just makes me way better to serve the other outlets of my life. Really, it really, really does. And so I hope that you are able to experience that and able to also gift that to you for whatever time space that might be. Even the littlest time will help recreate and rejuvenate you in that way. So, all right, let's get playing this game. You guys ready? Okay, so hopefully there's some Scrabble fans out there. So again, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna share my screen, and it's gonna give you a hint into the May Kiwi Club kit, which is shipping. I think they're already shipping some today because the first is falling on a Saturday. So if I remember correctly, Mindy over our product team, she said they were gonna ship half of the Kiwi Clubs today and half of them on Monday. So you'll be getting them pretty quickly within the early part of the month of May. So that's exciting. Okay, so let me share that screen. You guys ready? Okay, I have my comments up, and the first person I see it, I'll let you know. It's kind of an easy one, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. I always think something's easy, and then I'm like, oh no, I'm not seeing it. Okay, here we go. There is the Scrabble. So unscrabble the following letters to discover a hint of next month's Kiwi Club. So May's Kiwi Club. Any guessers here? I should be playing some music or something during this time, since there is a little bit of a lag. I don't see any comments yet. Diane, that's right, flip-flop. It's flip-flop. It was pretty easy, right? Lisa got it. Diane got it. Sarah got it. How many of you guys are flip-flop fans? How many of you guys are ready for the summer? I mean, actually, I enjoy spring, so let's extend spring just a little bit longer before the hot summer comes on. But overall, I really am looking forward to the summer, and for the most part, getting out and getting about, right, and enjoying it. So hopefully you got some things fun planned for the summer. And of course, this Kiwi Club will help you to refocus and go down memory lane of maybe some other memories that you've made during the summer. So flip-flop is a hint. The overall, I'm going to give a couple hints. You guys up for it? I'm kind of feeling like I want to. I don't know. I'm not going to do this every month, so don't get used to it, you guys, okay? But I'm feeling kind of, I don't know, just after last night's pre-release party, which was a lot of fun, waking up today, it's Friday, let's do it, right? Okay, so the name of this kit, because it is already out there, I'll just go ahead and say it. It's called Summer Lovin'. It's like really fun color palette. It's got, of course, some brighter colors in it, but kind of like a vintage kind of brightness to it. Oh, I'm giving a lot of hints, guys. A lot of hints. Flip-flop. So definitely there's a fun flip-flop in there. Very, very versatile ways that you could use it. I'm trying to read your guys' comments too at the same time. Oh, also, if you are not a Kiwi Club member, okay, we still have some spots open. They are limited to the spots, but we definitely have some spots open right now from the inventory that we have left after all the member subscriptions. And so definitely make sure to check that out. We have 3 different types of Kiwi Club options. So if you're not familiar with that, I recommend going over to our website. Here, let me just share that really quickly. It's kiwilane.com/Kiwi Club / and if you love the quality of our paper, we we talked about once doing the 65-pound paper, kind of like what it's pretty normal. So it was like, other scrapbooking paper companies, they all do 65 pretty much now, it feels like. And I'm like, well, that's pretty typical. Like, I think that's what we're used to. But we did not want to go from the 80-pound. We genuinely love just a little bit more of that touch and feel of that quality. I think I can feel the difference. Hopefully you can. So yeah, so the $25 includes that exclusive month-to-month paper kit. You do get 10 double-sided sheets of paper, a diversity of title cards to choose from, and they're double-sided so you can use the patterns on the other side. And then you get whatever designer templates also come with that month. So lots of fun ways to play with the paper and the designer templates. But if you're like, oh, I just really don't want to do more paper right now, I have a huge paper stash, completely understand. We added the template crafting club, which is over on the right here. That one's $13 a month. Now I should mention that any of these club memberships, you also get as part of your membership benefits, you get a additional 10% off any online orders. So as you place any other orders, like for this upcoming new release, for example, you'll get 10% off that order. You do get early access to new releases. So again, Kiwi Club members will be able to place their orders and rest assured that they got their orders placed on May 3rd, 4th. And that's a couple days earlier in this case, before the official release day on May 6th. And then of course, you also have access to any Kiwi Club surplus. So any surplus kits that we might have. So if you want to pick up another one for additional paper, or you just signed up and you liked 3 months ago kit and it happened to be in the shop still, you can go and purchase those past kits, whatever might be available. It's again, while supplies last on those. So that's really nice. And then we definitely sprinkle in some member only specials and promotions throughout the year. So those are always fun to be able to have at your disposal as well. And overall, the Kiwi Club subscriptions, we make it a month to month, so you can cancel anytime. So if you're not loving it, or something comes up in your life, then there is no 6 month or a year commitment. You can cancel from month to month. So we want to make sure that's feasible, because we understand that life sometimes happens, right? But we also know how nice it is to gift yourself, to have that show up to you, your doorstep. Literally, I love that feeling. Even though I know what's inside of that kit like 6 months before it shows up, I almost forget after 6 months, after the production time of that product. And so when I see that box, Kiwi Club logo on it, and I open it, I always get excited to open it. And then we also have the Create a Club. So choose your own, which is $15 a month. And basically how this one works is it's just basically a $15 store credit. It comes in product points, and you can go in and you can purchase any of the overstock. So if you're just like, I kind of want to cherry pick, then this will give you the Kiwi Club benefits that I just mentioned, but it also gives you, so it gives you access to all of that, but it allows you to have that credit to do as you wish. If you want to spend it just on other products in the shop, so maybe you're just a newbie and you're wanting to add to your collection in a month, and you kind of want that freedom to choose between the memberships or like overstock or just product in the shop, then that's a great one, of course, as well. And so those product points are good for 4 months. So you'll even be able to, as we release quarterly releases, be able to have that option as far as the choice goes, to utilize that store credit as you use it. But we encourage you to use it one way or another, whether that's overstock that's available in the shop to add to your collection, or even looking forward to the next new product release that goes into the shop. So a lot of fun, exciting things. So if you have any questions, that was a whole lot of information. Go to kiwilane.com/Kiwi Club. And if you are in need of some summer loving type of products, then you might want to sign up today, because if you sign up in the month of April, that will get you May's kit. Okay. All right. So here's another little insight. Like I said, I'm feeling kind of like I want to share. Please re-release 2018 templates. Oh, Shauna, I know we released the first 2. I don't know if you were around when we did that, but we did do that a little bit a while ago. So it will definitely come up the pipeline. We'll see here in a few. Did you ever discuss doing bigger templates for bulletin boards? I do a lot of shirts. It would be great. Ooh, Pamela, we'll think about it. Honestly, I think a lot of the designer templates that are currently in the shop could work for that. You might have to adjust, but even like the larger placemat ones that we have coming out, and even the borders, I could see that being really easy to utilize your paper stash, customize it to the patterns you want. And you could do that like along your bulletin board. That would be really cute, actually. Loretta, yes, I love the Kiwi paper. It really is. I'm not just doing my own horn here, guys. I'm a paper addict too. And I really do, like I said, we just could not. We were like, maybe we should just do 65, mostly because of the weight of shipping. It like makes a little bit of difference too on the shipping cost, which we subsidize shipping for Kiwi Club members as well. We make it consistently, no matter the distance of that. So, because paper can be a little tricky sometimes with shipping, but we want to make that available and doable for the most part. So we try to make those prices very reasonable and affordable, and the product itself in the paper, I feel like I'm only talking about it as a paper, but I get that you guys, if you're wanting to use your paper stuff, highly encourage that. If you haven't checked out my other video about my own paper relationship, my own paper life cycle journey, check it out, because I know exactly that feeling, and I highly encourage to do so. But with that said, I do love paper, and it is really fun to get the Kiwi paper every month because it's so easy to work with. All of those tips and tricks that we share with you guys on how to really utilize pattern papers, and the trick is to pull in some blenders and some supporting patterns and keep an open mind to that. We do all of that as we design the kit. So as we create the paper for you as a creator to use those materials in your own creation, we try really hard to think of you and keep you in mind, so that when you sit down to create, it's as smoothly and as painlessly as possible. So, all right, here is one last hint since I kept you long enough. I think you guys deserve it. I think you deserve it. So I don't normally do this, and I already hear Mindy in my head, but I'm going to. And for this lovely month as we roll into the month of April. So I'll give you a hint because I already told you flip-flop. So this is kind of a look at the flip-flop, and it does have the stenciling so that you can doodle, you could do double layers. It's going to all be in the PDF. So many fun ways to utilize and build and create your own little flip-flops. So it's flip-flop season. I think I need to paint my toenails. They haven't seen the light of day for a while. And then here's a really big hint. There's 4 different designer templates in this kit, but one of the fun ones, I had so much fun with it. I can't wait to see what you guys create with it. Is, you guys ready for this? Dun, 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 dun. Isn't that so much fun? Look how fun this one is. I gave you guys a lot of hints this month. I hope you guys love the hints, but don't get used to them because I also love to teach you guys. I also love to teach you guys. There's much more to be shown in this kit, of course, when you get it. I can't wait to see what you guys think of the colors and the patterns and the other designer templates that I haven't shown you. So much fun things to create. So lots to look forward to. Start thinking about if you need to get pictures printed that maybe you don't have yet printed. And really, more than anything, I hope that you guys look at your calendar into May and you cross off some time on that calendar to do something that you love and that you enjoy, and that you are able to be the creator in what you enjoy to do. And it's really a fulfilling benefit to this wonderful hobby that we have. But at the same time, I really do believe it will serve you in every other aspects. And I believe that it actually does. The more creations that we go from start to finish, whatever type that might be, really does strengthen your creator's mindset. It opens up the doors. It helps you in all aspects of your life. There are so many positives to the act of creating, but not only to the act of creating, but to the process. That creator's process, that creator's journey, and to do that as many times as possible really does strengthen that creator's mindset. So I look forward to seeing what you guys create. Like always, please make sure to share it with us over in the community, in the Play to Create group here on Facebook. Love being there and connecting with all of you guys in the community. Use #create with Kiwi Lane. That way that each month as we do special little drawings, each month that you can get put into that drawing because it will allow us to search you guys. But I'm actually really looking forward to it. We're getting so much closer to having our app done for the website, which will make using that kiwilane.com community so much easier and just really friendly to have that app. So excited for that. We're getting closer. Got a little sneak peek into it. Anyways, side note, but thought I would mention it because I'm excited about it. So we will share it the moment it's available. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy your weekend and you have a lovely rest of your Friday, and we will see you guys in the community. Keep making sure to play, create, and connect in your lives. All right, take care, guys. Bye now.